On October 22nd, the third Plastic Industry Conference brand ceremony was successfully concluded in Guangzhou. The conference specially invited Zheng Chong, a specially appointed professor at Chosher College, Zhejiang University, and Professor Li Jihong, the originator of the Business Awakening concept, to give speeches, providing important inspirations on brand creation and business operation for the attendees. The conference was held in the form of a roundtable forum, gathering industry leaders such as Lin Xingxiong, chairman of Xijia Group, Zhu Kongjian, chairman of BORCHE, Liang Bin, chairman of Times Group, Xin Jun, president of Coperion Nanjing, Yang Weimin, professor of Beijing University of Chemical Technology, and Qin Jihong, general manager of Guangdong Simcheng Plastics Machinery Co., Limited, to engage in dialogues on branding and development, sparking ideological exchanges and collisions. As a leading company in the plastics industry, Luo Huiyun, product line manager of BORCHE, held a technical exchange to introduce BORCHE's new intelligent digital engine for injection molding. The GDPIA organized an expert panel to evaluate and select multiple awards, including the 2024 Outstanding Influential Brands in the Plastic Manufacturing Industry and the Ingenious Manufacturing Innovation Brand. With its outstanding performance and high-quality products, BORCHE won several major awards such as the Outstanding Influential Brand of Injection Molding Machines and the Ingenious Manufacturing Innovation Brand. AS, the sponsor of the evening banquet, Zhu Kongjian, chairman of BORCHE, warmly welcomed all the guests in his speech. He invited everyone to enjoy the BORCHE night together, exchange views on the future development trends of the plastics industry, and work together to create a bright future.